Good morning, students. Today's we are dealing with the chapter The Language of Chemistry, and our today's topic is relative atomic mass or the atomic weight. Students, you all know about the atomic masses in your previous classes. Atomic mass of hydrogen atom is 1. Atomic mass of carbon atom is 12. Atomic mass of oxygen atom is 16. Atomic mass of another helium atom is 4. Atomic mass of nitrogen is 14, as well as atomic mass of magnesium is 24. So we can calculate, or we know all the atomic masses of 118 elements present in the periodic table. Now, what is relative atomic mass? Or the atomic masses we know are the actual atomic mass of an element, or they are the relative atomic mass of an element. That is the question mark on that. And we did not know this thing, na, that this is the actual atomic mass of an element. Is that our actual element hydrogen is 1 AMU unit weighted, or it is 1 gram, or how many gram actually it is. So we are dealing with the relative atomic masses today. So here, mass of an hydrogen atom, that is the actual mass of an hydrogen atom, is 1.66 into 10 raised to power minus 24 gram. It means the mass of the actual hydrogen atom is 1.66 into 10 raised to power minus 24 gram. Now, if we deal with the mass, actual mass of a carbon atom, that is 1.9926 into 10 raised to power minus 23 grams. It is in 23 grams. It is in grams. But you know what? These values, actual mass of hydrogen, of the actual mass of carbon atom, these values are coming in 10 raised to power minus 24, that is coming in 10 raised to power minus 23. The value is that much small that we cannot provide them a unit. These values are that much small that we cannot provide them a unit of gram or the kilogram. Okay, it is very difficult to measure these quantities in gram or the kilogram. So that's a big problem for the scientists to discuss on this thing. तो तभी उन लोगों ने ऐसे एक फॉर्मूला को रिलेट करना चाहा कि जिससे हम लोग इजीली अपने एटम्स के जो मास हैं उन्हें कैलकुलेट कर सके. Although atom is itself a very small particle, and now we want to calculate its atomic mass. So तभी उन्होंने क्या किया कि एक स्टैंडर्ड चूज किया एक एटम को, और उस एटम के साथ में रिलेट करते हुए वो जो दूसरे हमारे एटम्स हैं उनके मास को कैलकुलेट कर रहे थे. राइट. सो अभी हम लोगों ने जो स्टार्टिंग में बात किया था कि दैट वी हैव हाइड्रोजन एटॉमिक मास 1, नाइट्रोजन एटॉमिक मास 14, कार्बन एटॉमिक मास 12, ऑक्सीजन एटॉमिक मास 16 ग्राम. सो ऑल दीज masses are not the actual mass of the element or atoms, they are the relative atomic masses. So we are dealing with the relative atomic masses of the element. Now, how this relative atomic mass to be calculated? Okay, what we do in 1961, previous to this time 1961, scientists are taking hydrogen as their standard atom. But after the time 1961, they choose carbon as their standard element. The reason behind choosing carbon as their standard element is that by dividing or by relating this atom with the other atoms, the actual mass, there is a variation in the actual mass of the element. Now, the variation of the actual mass is very less. अगर हम लोग कार्बन को चूज करके लेके चलेंगे तो जो उसका एक्चुअल मास था उससे जो रिलेटिव एटॉमिक मास हम कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं उसमें वेरिएशन बहुत माइन्यूट से आती हैं. तो अगर उसमें माइन्यूट से वेरिएशंस होंगी तो वी कैन इजीली डन विद द कार्बन एटम. ठीक है. सो नाउ हाउ वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग द रिलेटिव एटॉमिक मास? नाउ द फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट वी आर टेकिंग द आइसोटोप ऑफ कार्बन एटम, दैट इज C12. We are taking the carbon atom is C12, and actual atomic mass of this carbon atom is 1.9926 into 10 raised to power minus 23 gram. अब now divide this mass, the mass you are having here, divide this mass by 12, divide this mass by 12, or we are having its 12th part. Okay, now new atomic mass that is coming, that is 1.6605 into 10 raised to power minus 24 gram is the atomic mass unit. The new value coming is 1.6605 into 10 raised to power minus 24 gram, and this is the atomic mass unit we are having. This is the atomic mass unit we have, and by the help of this atomic mass unit, with the help of this atomic mass unit, you can calculate the atomic masses of the other elements. For example, I'll show you this thing. For example, actual mass of hydrogen atom is 1.66 into 10 raised to power minus 4 gram, right? Now we need to calculate its relative atomic mass. So what we do, dividing this mass by 1 by 12th part of C12 mass of carbon atom, like that is the value 1.6605 into 10 raised to 24 gram minus 24 gram that we calculated earlier. Now relative atomic mass of hydrogen is divide the actual mass by the value of, divide the actual mass by the value of this, by the value of 1/12th part of C12 carbon atom. So by dividing these values, we get the answer, that is 1 AMU or U. That is the value of atomic mass of hydrogen atom is now 1 AMU or 1 U. Now you understand, जितना भी हम लोग मास को पीरियोडिक टेबल से और हम लोग लर्न करते हैं, that is not the actual mass of the atoms, it is the relative atomic mass of the atoms. It is the relative atomic mass of the atoms. Now back to the previous slide. There is a definition for the relative atomic mass or atomic weight, that is the relative atomic weight of an mass or weight of an element is the number of times, how many number of times one atom of the element is heavier than 1/12th part of the mass of an atom of carbon C12. The relative atomic mass is calculated as mass of one atom of the element, that is the for example we did in the hydrogen atom case, mass of one element of the atom, that is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram, divide by 1/12th the mass of one carbon atom, right, that is 1.6605 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram. So we get the relative atomic mass of that element. Now atomic mass, that is the relative atomic mass, is expressed in the atomic mass unit, that is AMU. Now we are not using the unit gram or kilogram for the atomic masses. The unit for to calculate the atomic mass is AMU, and its full form is atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit is defined as the 1/12th the mass of carbon 12, that is C12 atom. Now for example, mass of hydrogen atom is 1 AMU. Now mass of, this is not oxygen, this is the carbon atom actually, okay, that is a misprint, please correct it. Mass of carbon atom is 12 AMU, mass of oxygen atom is 16 AMU, and mass of helium atom is 4 AMU. Okay, I hope you will understand this thing. Moving on the next slide we get. Now we calculate the atomic mass of the element, that is the relative atomic mass of the element. Now if you say relative atomic mass or if you say atomic mass, the meaning is always the same. We are dealing with the relative atomic mass. If you say atomic mass, then understandably or absolutely or automatically it is relative atomic mass, right? Now we have to calculate the relative molecular mass. Now you need to understand one thing, molecule is made up of the atoms. All the atoms combine to form the molecule, right? Now relative atomic molecular mass is the sum of atoms present in the sum of atoms present in a molecule. Actually we what we did in that part, we add the atomic mass of the atoms present in a molecule, and there we get the relative molecular mass. Now in this case, for example, relative molecular mass of sulfuric acid, how we calculate this? Look, sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4. There are 2 hydrogen atoms, 1 sulfur atom and 4 oxygen atoms are present. Then mass of 2 atoms of hydrogen is 1 into 2, 2 AMU. Mass of 1 atom of sulfur is 32 AMU and mass of 4 atoms of oxygen is 1 atom of oxygen contain mass 16. Okay, now if there are 4 atoms, then multiply 16 by 4, so we get 64 AMU. So mass of H2SO4 is 2 plus 32 and plus 16 into 4, that is 64. That is the total mass coming is 98 AMU. So relative molecular mass is obtained by adding together the relative atomic masses or atomic weights of all the various atoms present on a molecule. All the various atoms present on a molecule. Understand this thing? Okay. Now next to, for examples, calculate the relative masses of the various molecules. The first one is water. Second one is cane sugar. Third one is copper sulfate. And the fourth one is ammonium sulfate. That you need to do by yourself. Given masses of atoms are copper 63.5 AMU, hydrogen is 1 AMU, carbon is 12 AMU, oxygen is 16 AMU, sulfur is 32 AMU and nitrogen is 14 AMU. Now what you need to do? Just calculate the number of atoms present in the molecule. Just add their masses and get the value. For example, in the case of water molecule, there are 2 hydrogen atoms are there and then plus we are having 1 oxygen atom is there. 1 oxygen atom, it means it contains the value of 16 AMU. So how 16 plus 12 we are getting the value of 18. 16 plus 12 we are getting the value of 18. So was calculated, it is calculated. Answers are given there. First for that 18 AMU, second is 342 AMU and the third one is 249.5 AMU and the fourth one is 132 AMU. Now just add the number of atoms, add their atomic masses and get the value. I hope this is clear to you all.